Hi, I'm Tom Beezer. I'm a electrical engineer by trade, and I focus on at Insight Engineering functional safety, machine guarding, control systems and automation, as well as arc flash and electrical analysis. Buckle up for a quick rundown on manufacturing execution systems, also known as MES. MES is the digital brain of your production line, connecting planning with the shop floor. MES brings order to chaos, optimizing production, tracking resources, and monitoring quality in real time. Imagine having a 24/7 digital overseer. Better decision making, less downtime, and higher productivity. Real data is a game changer. MES ensures compliance with industry regulations and offers complete traceability, tracking every product from raw materials to finished goods. In a nutshell, MES is the secret sauce for efficient, smart, and compliant manufacturing. It's the future of your production line. If you want to elevate your manufacturing, MES could be the answer. Do you want to learn more? Contact us to discuss MES solutions and how we can help you and your business thrive.